Be happy, have fun. My smart girl. You are feeling bad as mom is leaving, right? Huh? But don't cry, okay? Otherwise she won't leave. You won't cry, right?
No, uncle. And you also don't cry while going to the village.
Why will I cry while going to the village, dear? I also have aunt with me, right?
She's acting so pricey, and once she goes there...
You're going to your village after many years, right? Don't forget me after going there, or I'm no longer your friend.
Oh my goodness, really? Don't do that, not at all. How can I forget you, dear? Is it possible? Huh?
And call me daily.
Yes, I will call you daily.
Promise?
Yes, promise.
Wow.
All right, I should go. I have to pack, right? Bye.
Pari, my dear, my child, my lovely child. What is it? Your mother is leaving you and going, right? How's your mom leaving you and going? That too alone. That to London on a flight. Oh my goodness. Who behaves like this? What will you do? I would not have behaved like this. 4 days. Your mother will leave you and go for 4 days. You will miss her a lot. You are not used to living without her. How will you stay, dear? Yes, I cannot even imagine that. But you have to take injections. Who will give you that? Does your mother even care? I'm so worried for a little soul like you. You know I will crying due to your concern. How will my child stay? Your mom is so bad. She's leaving you and going. I know that you feel like crying, right? I know that you are crying from the inside, yes. Don't cry, dear. Don't. You tell your mom and explain to her to not to go, okay? Now it will be fun, huh? You were saying that you are going to London. You are going abroad. Now let me see how you go. Pari
Mom?
will cry now. This Neha's trip will get cancelled. She says that she is going to London. Pari! Come here, come. Come here, dear. Your mom is here.
Why are you doing this? I will lift it, okay?
If I had not bought this, then you would have kept on packing till leaving.
Oh my, so many bags. It seems this too belongs to you and this belongs to her.
Yes. Right, Pari? What is it, dear? Tell me. If you don't want, then I won't go, dear.
Now it will be real fun. Yash, keep the bags inside now. Now this Pari will cry and then how will she go abroad?
What is it?
She speaks so much normally, but why can't she speak anymore now?
What is it, dear?
This time you're going with work, so it's okay. But next time, do take me. You should take me and that's final.
Yes, dear. I'll surely take you.
Oh my goodness. Wasted. Wasted. All my efforts are wasted.
Next time, we won't go to London. We'll go directly to the moon.
So long.
Where is it long? Moon is nearby, Oli. Tell me, can you see London from here?
No.
But can you see the moon?
I can see daily.
So what is near, London or...
The moon.
Hey!
Come, Pari. Let's go before God.
Yes.
Neha, I'll keep the bags in the
Yes.
car.
Did you keep the taps open? Or else the house will be flooded after you leave.
No, sister, I checked everything.
The tap is closed. Gas? The gas turned off?
Sister, I checked everything.
Or if you keep it on due to mistake, you turn the switch off from below properly, right?
Sister, I checked it all myself. You don't worry.
That's what I'm scared. Come. Also, in the fridge that... Wait, no. I will check myself. Wait, I will come. Look. So many vegetables were in the fridge. They would have got decayed. They would have got spoiled. It was in the fridge. I thought I will take them home. I will use it at least. Right? Come. Let's go. Just shut everything down.
All right, you come.
Lock it properly. Come.
Here are the bags.
Move a bit aside. Take this. Take it properly.
Come on.
Uncle, we are leaving.
Go safely, dear, and stay properly.
Yes.
Aunt, bless me.
You have our blessings.
Be careful, huh?
Okay.
You are boarding a plane for the first time. Be careful. I hope it's not the front seat, or else your stomach will get upset.
She's taking a plane and not a bus.
You go carefully, Aunt. And what time is the bus?
There's no bus. Yash arranged a vehicle for us.
You didn't tell me?
Come on, come fast, or you will miss the flight.
We will have to leave Mom in the car if she misses her plane for London, right?
We will leave now, okay? Pari? Dear, it's very difficult for me to leave you and go. You will stay properly, right? Take care, okay? Eat on time. And remember, don't trouble anyone. You are going to the palace, right? So stay properly there. Okay, dear?
You said everything inside. Come, let's go now. Come.
I know that you will take good care of her. Still, I am telling you that she has the habit to remain awake at night. If she doesn't sleep early, then she won't get up early in the morning. And during holidays, make her study, okay? Or she will keep playing. You should give her an injection in the morning, okay? It has to be given before the breakfast. And if she...
Mom, I will do everything properly.
Yes. Shall we leave?
Leave or the flight will leave you and go.
My dear.
Be careful, okay?
Yes. See you, uncle and aunt. Take care, okay?
Yes.
Careful. Come.
Come.
Bye, Aunt and
Come.
Uncle.
Bye. Where are you going?
We are going to the village.
Yash arranged it, right?
Yes.
Nice.
Come.
He's too nice. They left? That too when I'm standing. Very well. That Yash made good arrangement for these old guys. He sent her abroad. What about me? I am her sister-in-law, but forget about respecting me. But he didn't even ask me about, what about me? I got the vegetable at least. I'll go home now.
Sami, do you know something?
What?
Back when Neha left for London, that time Pari did not cry at all. She didn't even shed one tear. Our Pari is such a strong girl and she's such a good girl. I mean, Neha cried, but Pari, she didn't cry at all in front of her.
Wow. What are you saying, Yash?
What do you mean?
No, but you are right. Our Pari is a good girl.
Well, that's what I'm telling you. And now we go to the palace. We'll have so much fun and enjoy over there.
Oh.
Right, Pari? Solid?
How would have Mom gone to London if I had cried? How can I cry?
Oh.
My dear child. That's why you're a good girl.
It's a good girl, not a gooda girl.
And a gooda girl.
Mom? 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 Mom has gone to London. Friend? Friend?
Give me this coconut. Is there water in it? Tell me, Yash.
Sameer, listen to me. Today, we have a meeting with our Dubai clients. It's very important. We have to crack this deal.
It will happen. It will happen. It will happen. Don't worry. All the best.
Oh, what do you mean by that? I've called to tell you that you must attend that meeting. Brother, we have to crack this deal. It's very important. You have to handle this.
Me?
Yes. Hey, Pari will get up. I'll have to be with her once she wakes up, so I'm telling you. Where are you? At home or office?
No, man. I am here. I had come to meet Shefali's mother. Take out the water from the coconut. What? What do you mean? Remove the water from the coconut. Hey, brother, what happened is that I had told Shefali that I will inquire about her mother when she won't be here and take care of her. I have come to meet her mother at her mother's house. Hey, remove the water from the coconut, man.
Sir, you should have told me if you didn't need a coconut.
Who said I don't want it? I want it, man.
Then drink it.
Am I your son-in-law to request me so much? Remove the water from that. I have to fill cold coffee in it. Remove the water. Hello? Hey, the thing is that I'm not carrying the laptop here, Yash. And there is no separate room in her apartment where I can attend the meetings or conference. Got it? Remove the water fast.
Yes. No, Sameer, I totally understand. You go and meet her. I'll see what I can do.
Yes, thank you, brother. Thank you. Yes, bye. What are you doing, man? Just remove the water. Give me this. You really are a crazy man. Remove this water and... put this. Then life will be more fun.
Today I'll have to attend the meeting. At least Pari shouldn't get up until the meeting's over.
Friend? 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 Grandpa? Grandpa? Friend?
Good morning.
Friend?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Good morning.
Did you sleep well? Good girl.
Pari, you are here? I didn't realize it.
So, today we are here for the most ambitious project. A team project which involves a lot of money and dedication, of course.
Pari, what I'm saying is that I'll finish this meeting in 5 minutes, okay? After that, we'll enjoy a lot, okay?
I just came here to say good morning.
Mr. Chaudhary,
Yeah.
if you are busy, you can join later.
I'm really very sorry. Just give me a moment, please.
Come, Let us brush our teeth, wash our face and get fresh and ready.
Hey, good girl, go.
Cute voice. Who was she?
She's my little fairy. Yeah, that's the one. My little fairy, my friend, my daughter.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
You are a cutie pie.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, you go and get ready. We'll talk later. Bye.
And friend, finish the meeting fast, or I will get bored.
Yes.
You said very nicely in front of her that you will take care of her mother. Yes? And now you came?
But you said in front of her, that lady comes regularly to take care of you. That's Saraswati?
It's Vidya.
Yes, Vidya. I also had some work, so I could not come here. What happened, Aunt? Did that Vidya also take a leave?
You don't know. It was fine if she had taken leave.
Meaning?
What do you mean? Just have the tea made by her.
Wow. It would be nice, right?
Nice? It's just sugar, water. What a lame tea. Even sweet meats are nothing in front of her. If my Shefali was there, then she would have made such a nice tea. She never lets me eat sweets. She gives me moderate sugar, moderate milk mixed nicely with tea. She gives me tea and biscuit in the morning. She knows that I love cardamom tea. She gives me cardamom tea daily.
Wow.
The first cup of tea we have decides how our day will be spent.
It's true.
The first tea which we have in the morning should be amazing. Nice.
You are right. It should be amazing, right?
What about today?
I understood. The tea was very sweet and you didn't like it at all, right?
Then what?
Fine. Today I will make tea.
Have you made tea before like this?
No.
Then sit down. Sit down. In the morning, Vidya did an experiment on me. Now you don't do it, please. I don't want to be a lab rat.
How will you become that? You know how small a mouse is.
What?
I mean, let it be. I'm saying I won't do any experiment. Now, what do I do? Now you tell me, what do I do to make you a nice tea? You tell me.
There is a tea stall downstairs. And there is a hotel on the top there.
Yes.
Order from there.
I will order a very strong and amazing tea from there. I will do right away. Yes, Suraj Hotel. I'm calling from Nandavan Society, room number 110. Send 2 strong tea here. Very amazing.
Spices.
Spices. Add nice spices to the tea, okay? Very nicely, okay?
Masala dosa.
Masala dosa. Then do one thing. Send me 2 amazing cup of tea and a masala dosa along with it.
Vada.
Vada? Vada. Yes, vada. Send 2 strong tea, 1 masala dosa and 1 vada dipped in sambar. Send all this for sure.
And a tomato omelette.
No, I don't want a tomato omelette.
Oh, I will eat that.
You will eat that, but how? All right, do that, but now the order has increased a bit. 2 strong tea, 1 masala dosa and 1 tomato omelette. And 1 vada dipped in sambar. That's it.
And tell them to send 1 thali peet along too with pickle. On top.
I don't want thali peet.
It's not for you. I will eat it.
You will eat it, but how? I will tell again. The order has increased again. 2 strong tea, 1 masala dosa, 1 vada sambar, 1 tomato omelette, and 1 thali peet. Add a bowl full of pickle on top of that. That's the order. Is that it?
No. Do one thing. Tell him to cancel the tomato omelette and instead order thali peet.
Yes, tomato omelette in place of thali peet. What thali peet and tomato omelette? What are you saying? One moment, just send a thali peet in place of tomato omelette.
Cancel the medu vada and tell him to send a potato vada. But I need sambar on top of that.
Mendu vada. You know mendu vada? Remove the mendu vada and make it a potato vada. I'm not saying potato chips. One moment, wait. Just send a potato vada in place of mendu vada and put sambar on top of it. Yes, that's the order. Just wait a moment, man. Will you wait a moment? Tell me clearly what you want. That man is getting confused.
Hey, order anything. I will eat anything you order.
You will eat what I order for sure.
I will eat.
This lady is so greedy. I will tell you a final order. You write it down properly, okay? 2 spiced induced tea. Okay, after that a masala dosa and after that a sambar vada.